Today's question: if root 5 plus 1 times x plus 4 equals to 4 root 5, then show that x equals to 6 minus 2 root 5. Let's start. First, given root 5 plus 1 times x plus 4 equals to 4 root 5. Our target to make this one like 6 minus 2 root 5. First, we can write like this: root 5 plus 1 times x equals to 4 root 5, and this plus 4 will become minus 4. We can write a subnote like by transposition. Okay. Now here is root 5 plus 1 times, and here we can take common 4. So root 5 minus 1. Okay, and here is x. So x equals to 4 root 5 minus 1, and here root 5 plus 1. We can write here what? Divide both sides by root 5 plus 1. Okay. Now here is in numerator root 5 minus 1 and denominator root 5 plus 1, but this fraction we will not keep any root in denominator. Therefore we can do one thing, which is here is root 5 plus 1, so we can multiply denominator and numerator by root 5 minus 1. Okay, so 4 root 5 minus 1 times root 5 minus 1, and denominator root 5 plus 1 and root 5 minus 1. Multiply root 5 minus 1 numerator and denominator. Okay. Now look, root 5 plus 1 root 5 minus 1, just think a plus b, a minus b, right? And here root 5, here is 4 root 5 minus 1 whole square. Okay, and this one is root 5 square minus 1 square. Okay, we can transfer last line, it means this one, to next page. So here is 4 times root 5 minus 1 whole square and denominator root 5 square minus 1 square. So this one 4, and here we can use a minus b whole square theory. It means root 5 square minus 2 times root 5 times 1 plus 1 square. Okay, and root 5 square means 5 minus 1 square means 1, and this one is x, right? And look, 5 minus 1 it means 4, and here is 4. Look, root 5 square means 5, right, minus 2 root 5 plus 1 square means 1. Okay. Now this 4 and this 4 out, and plus 5 plus 1, it will be 6, and here is minus 2 root 5. Look, our question was root 5 plus 1 times x plus 4 equals to 4 root 5, then show that x equals to 6 minus 2 root 5. Look, 6 minus 2 root 5, we already get this one, 6 minus 2 root 5. So x equals to this, we can write short or solve. Okay, this is our video, and thank you very much who watch fully this video, and I think this video will help you for algebraic linear equation type question, which is very important for grade 10 and 11, O level, IGCSE, and around the world any competitive examination in high school level. Okay, so don't forget subscribe the channel and should put on bell button. Thank you.